gives it to the P680. That P680 shakes it and gives it to pheophytin. And the pheophytin gives it to Q1, Q2. The H2O gives electrons to the P680. The P680 shakes it and gives it to the pheophytin. The pheophytin gives it to Q1, Q2 again. And and again, the H2O will give electrons to the P680, and the P680 will keep it. And Q1 and Q2 will leave. And it will go to the Loomis sphinx. That Q1 and Q2 will give it to the plasticinin, and the plasticinin will shake it and give it to the chlorophyll. That chlorophyll will shake it and give it to the P680. P680 shakes it and passes it to the pheophytin. Pheophytin gives it to the peroxide. And now, again, the H2O will give electron to the P680, passes it to the pheophytin. Pheophytin, and again to the peroxide. And again, the H2O gives electrons to the P680, and that P680 will keep it. And now the peroxide will give it to the FNR, gives it to NADPH, and gives it to the ATP